I want to share with you a few things I love about the Shark IX141. Go over some of the features with you. I've had several different battery powered cordless vacuum cleaners, and I can say that this is one that this has been one of my favorite ones. One of the things I want on a cordless battery vacuum is like ease to know what to do. Okay, you don't want like a complicated system to empty it out. This one you do have to pop the handle off, and then once you do that, to empty it out, it just has a little tab right here. I push that down. When I push that down, it dumps open, so just do that over the garbage can. So that's easy. It's very clear there, and it's not tiny. Some of them just are very small and don't hold very much. This one has about a 40-minute runtime on it. It's also rated for pet hair and things of that nature. The other thing that's great about these cordless vacuums, like they're extremely maneuverable. They're lightweight. I mean, look at, I can easily get under this right here, which is about 4 to 5 inches off the ground, and it's no big deal for me to get under there where a traditional vacuum cleaner would not be able to reach. This one also has a bare floor setting and a carpet setting, and it also has a trigger for the turbo power, okay? And I am going to demonstrate it here in this video. Some of them have an attachment where you can like mount them on the wall. This one doesn't, so it's made just to, this would be made just like putting a broom closet or leaning against the wall, and then your plug-in goes right there as far as recharging it. It does come with these little attachments here if you want to clean out like under your couch cushion. This might be a good one for in the car, clean out in tight spots, things like that nature. Let's give it a roll again. I want something maneuverable and it has good power. All right, I decided to come into this bathroom. I use this a lot on hardwood floors, and this is a tile floor, and we took the rugs up and you can see where it needs cleaned. So let me just give a little demonstration here. So if you're looking for a battery powered stick vacuum, this is one that I can recommend, hardwood floors or carpet. Hope the video has been helpful for you.